Today I am going to take revision of English literature from lesson number 6 to 10. English literature lesson 6 to 10. Some related questions answers for your half-yearly examination revision. Kindly pay attention and write the answers exercises in your revision notebooks. Thank you. Literature lesson number 6, the microbe. The microbe is so very small, you cannot make him out at all. But many sanguine people hope to see him through a microscope. His jolted tongue that lies beneath 100 curious rows of teeth. His 7 tufted tails with lots of lovely pink and purple spots, on each of which a pattern stands, composed of furry, separate hands, composed of 40 separate hands. His eyebrows of a tender green. All these have never yet been seen. But scientists who ought to know assure us that they must be so. Oh, let us never doubt what nobody is sure about. It says the microbes are so small that you cannot see without microscope. They have a long tongue, like curious rows of teeth, and his 7 tilted tails with lots of lovely pink and purple spots, on each of which a pattern stands, composed of 40 separate bands. His eyebrows are of tender green. All these have never yet been seen. You cannot see without a microscope. You cannot see it with microscope. But scientists who ought to know, there are people known as scientists who are working day and night and want to know, assure us that they must be so. Oh, let us never doubt when nobody is sure about it. When we are not sure about anything, we should not doubt any person. Before that, we must be sure of anything, and through that we must see it. There are some word meanings given. Come to next page. These are the revision from lesson 6 to 10. There are about 14 questions which we have done in the class, and the same has been sent through the PDF. Kindly go through the questions. Like suppose the first question is, why can't people see a microbe? What you will do, you write the first question, why can't people see a microbe, in your revision notebook, and then write the answer of question 1. In the same way, question 2, first you write the questions and then you write the answers. In the same way, question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And there are some 10 word meanings. 10 word meanings. You write the word microbe and you write the word meaning in front of it. Curious, tender, lifted, appearance, skinny, remote, deserted, quilt, gaze. You will do all these work in your revision notebooks. Do you understand? Have you understood? Now every day we are going to do revision of all these chapters which are coming for your half-yearly exam from lesson number 6 to 10 in English literature. Lesson 6 to 10 in English literature. Thank you. Have a nice day. Children, we have the syllabus for your half-yearly examination from lesson 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Lesson 6, the microbe, the famous villager, adventures in the woods, the four princesses, poem and the four questions. I repeat, the microbe, the famous villager, adventure in the woods, the four princesses, poem and the four questions. Children, I am sending some questions which we have done already in the class from lesson 6 to 10 in the PDF. Kindly do them in your revision notebooks. Kindly do them in your revision notebooks.